The way Bitbu Enterprise works is you can sponsor X amount of people to start using Bitbu. So if you have a label or a publisher or a school and you want your artists or students to start using Bitbu, then you can sponsor a number of them and then they can start using it and all of their accounts can be linked to yours. Normally Bitbu for a regular account shows this projects and playlists at the top. But if you have an enterprise account, you also have this option of groups. In groups, you can create a new group by creating this. So let's say school year 2023, 2024. Then I can just create the group. And now I can invite people to this group. The way that this can be set up is you send the URL to everybody. But if you're, for example, in a classroom, all your students can just scan this QR code and they will create an account and automatically join this group as well. By using this link, you're sponsoring this person. So this means that you will be giving them a 100 gigabyte subscription for our basic plan. And let's say you want for 50 students, then we will negotiate a price for the 50 students for you guys to use for the school year. All the students have to do and all you have to do is each year you create a new group and then all the students just have to go on this link once and they will have their account for the whole year. The way after they have done it, it will look something like this. It will have a list of all the students that have done it. And from here, you can view all the group's projects. These are all the projects that have been linked to you. And you can also check them out individually, student by student or artist by artist by viewing their projects here. Let's say you want to see the files in itself. You can play from here, but you can also access all of the files from there as well. So it's super quick. You can also remove them at any time or they can join the group at any time. So if there's a new person coming into your roster at a later time than everybody signed up, then they can sign up again, no worries. The enterprise looks the same every other page. The projects will look the same way as it does for everybody. All the tracks that you are linked to will show up here, but if you want to see thousands and thousands of songs at once, it's just quicker to go through the groups bit and see more projects at once.